Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the intense clash between Middle Eastern hunters and invasive baboons. Clever, aggressive primates causing chaos in local communities. Let's explore why they're a problem and how people are fighting back. Baboons, part of the Papio genus, are among the largest primates, found across Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, especially in Saudi Arabia and Yemen. Weighing up to 40 kilograms, with powerful jaws, they're smart and live in troops of up to 250. As urban areas expand, baboons lose habitat and invade human spaces, stealing food, damaging crops, and even attacking small livestock. To control invasive baboons, Middle Eastern hunters, especially in rural Saudi Arabia and Yemen, use traditional methods like traps and bows. Some deploy falcons to scare baboons away or train dogs to chase them off. But baboons are fast and cunning, making the task challenging. Hunting alone isn't enough. Experts suggest sustainable solutions, stronger fences, better waste management to deter baboons, and relocating them to reserves. These methods protect both communities and this near-threatened species. Wild boars are taking over parts of the United States, wreaking havoc on crops, ecosystems, and even private property. From Texas to Florida, these invasive feral hogs have become a major challenge, causing millions of dollars in damage every year. For American hunters, tackling this problem is both a thrilling sport and a critical mission to protect the land. One of the most effective tools in their arsenal? The cage trap. In this article, we'll explore how hunters use cage traps to capture wild boars, why this method is so popular, and how you can try it yourself. Let's dive in. Feral hogs are not native to the United States. Descended from domestic pigs brought by European settlers and interbred with Russian boars, these animals have spread across the country, thriving in diverse environments. They're highly destructive, rooting up fields, damaging fences, and competing with native wildlife for resources. Their rapid reproduction, sows can produce up to 2 litters of 6 to 12 piglets annually, makes population control a priority. As wild boar populations continue to grow, cage trapping is becoming a go-to method for American hunters. It's not just about the thrill of the hunt. It's about protecting farmland, preserving ecosystems, and managing an invasive species. With advancements in trap technology, such as remote monitoring and larger, more durable designs, hunters are better equipped than ever to tackle this problem. For those interested in joining the fight against feral hogs, cage trapping offers an exciting and effective way to make a difference. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or a beginner, setting up a cage trap could be your next big adventure in the wild.
Easy, easy, sister. Easy, sister. She's not happy about this. Easy, sister. Good. That's pretty good.
Ready to see cage trapping in action? Check out our latest video where we set up a trap, bait it, and catch a sounder of wild boars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own hunting tips in the comments below. Let's keep the wild boar population in check together. This article is ready to be adapted into a YouTube script or description, with a mix of education and engagement to hook viewers. Let me know if you'd like help turning it into a full script or adding visuals.